Welcome to the Tomcat MicroMag video number 3 of a 3-part video series. The goal of this video is to give you, the user, a detailed understanding of the proper operation of your MicroMag auto scrubber. The first step to operating your MicroMag is to fill the solution tank with the proper cleaning chemical. This can be done manually from the front fill port as shown, or from the rear fill port with the hose or filling station. A note of caution: when using chemical, use only low foaming chemical, liquid cleaners, no powders. Non-flammable chemical, water should not exceed 135 degrees Fahrenheit or 57 degrees Celsius. Do not use a high percentage bleach chemical and use only facility approved chemistry. For further questions, contact your facilities manager. Before operating your MicroMag, it is important to have the correct scrub brush or pad to eliminate any possible damage to your floors. Initially, always scrub in an inconspicuous area to make sure that the brush or pad is scrubbing correctly. Once you have selected the proper brush or pad, install them accordingly. See video number 2 for more details on brush or pad driver installation. Located above the scrub deck housing is a deck adjustment wing nut assembly. This will allow for the adjusting of the amount of forward speed of your MicroMag. Spinning the wing nut clockwise increases the forward travel speed. Counterclockwise reduces the forward travel speed. This adjustment is set at the factory. It can be further adjusted based on your floor's type and composition. Operating your MicroMag for single pass scrubbing. From the operator's left to the right on the control panel, activate the vac motor. The battery level indicator will be displayed. Brush motors and solution switch. Next, set the solution flow to 1/3 as shown above. And lastly, lower the squeegee by moving the squeegee handle from left to right. If your MicroMag is equipped with a traction drive, you will find 2 motion activation buttons, one under each of the handle assemblies as shown. Just below the right handle is the variable speed control knob. First turn the speed control knob to the neutral position and then forward 1/4 of a turn. Located under the left handle assembly is a red toggle switch. This activates the reverse when one of the motion buttons is activated as well. Once you have set the control board for single pass scrubbing, scrubbing can commence as shown above. Note: it is important to place wet floor signs throughout your scrubbing area to be in compliance with local governmental safety codes. To operate your MicroMag in a double scrub operation is the same as a single scrub, except that the squeegee is left in the up position for the initial solution application, and on the second pass the squeegee is lowered for solution recovery, as demonstrated here. At the end of your cleaning shift, it is important to drain the recovery tank in an approved drain area. Remove the black recovery hose and cap assembly and gently release as shown. If required, remove the sight gauge tube and evacuate the cleaning solution as shown here. Once the tanks have been emptied, open the recovery tank lid to service the drain saver basket assembly, as demonstrated here. Once all the debris have been removed, flush the basket thoroughly and replace it back into its original position when complete. Next, remove the float shutoff by releasing the white retention band and flush the float shutoff till it is clear of debris. Make sure that the float ball is in good working order. Once completed, replace accordingly. Once this has been completed, clean the tank beads of any type of soil and wipe down the recovery tank lid, gaskets, and dome as demonstrated here. Note, do not spray water on the control panel. Doing so could cause premature failure of the dashboard electronics. Next, remove the squeegee assembly and rinse thoroughly until it is clean. Once this is complete, check the squeegee blades for any type of wear or damage. If they are found, replace accordingly. Lastly, wipe down the machine thoroughly to ensure that it is cleaned and ready for the next day's use. Battery charging. Your MicroMag came with an OEM charger that is designed specifically for your battery pack. The charger consists of an on and off switch, charge status indicator light, battery charge fault indicator light, and a two-way switch designed to accommodate lead-acid batteries and sealed gel cell batteries. Note, it is important to put this switch in the correct position based on the battery type that you have. Not doing so can cause battery damage. See Battery Charger's Owner's Manual for more detailed information. Located on the rear panel of your MicroMag is the battery charge port. The proper procedure for charging your battery is to plug the red Anderson connector into the MicroMag first, and then turn the charger to the on position. Once plugged in, the charger will activate as shown. Your charger will automatically charge your batteries and turn off when the batteries are completely charged. Located to the right side of the charge port is the hour indicator meter. This hour indicator meter is to be used in conjunction with your preventative maintenance program. Squeegee adjustment and change. Located on the top right corner of your squeegee assembly is an embossed number. This number denotes the size of the squeegee you have when ordering squeegee blades. Located on the top of the squeegee linkage is a yellow adjustment knob. Turning the adjustment knob clockwise raises the squeegee tips. Turning it counterclockwise lowers the squeegee tips. If down pressure adjustment is needed, the two wheels on the back of the squeegee have a 3-slot adjustment. The lower slot will give the least pressure on the squeegee assembly, the middle slot medium squeegee pressure, which is the factory setting, and the top slot for heavy squeegee down pressure. It is important to note to change both wheels the same when making these adjustments. Your MicroMag squeegee consists of 2 squeegee blades, the rear wiper blade and the front slotted blade. To change the rear wiper blade, remove the 6 stainless steel wing nuts, paying close attention to the squeegee disassembly procedure. It is important to take note that the squeegee retainer band is located at the top of the squeegee assembly. Replace the rear squeegee in reverse order of how it was removed. The front slotted blade consists of 3 intake ports. It is important when removing the squeegee bolts that they are kept in order of removal, as they are all of different sizes. Replace the blade in the reversed order when it was removed. For more detailed information about your Tomcat MicroMag, visit us on the web at tomcatequip.com. Once on the site, select the Scrubbers tab and then click on the MicroMag tab. Once done, you will find detailed information on technical specs, brochures, MicroMag edge information, preventative maintenance information, recommended spare parts lists, a list of MicroMag upgrades, machine comparisons, machine use and care videos, photos, and specialized request information. As an example, by clicking on the PM tab, you are provided with the detailed PM form in order to maintain the investment in your MicroMag scrubber. Also, your installing dealer can also provide a professional factory certified PM schedule for your MicroMag scrubber, ensuring that it is always in perfect working order. For more information about this product, feel free to contact Tomcat Incorporated at www.tomcatequip.com or call us toll free at 1-800-450-9824. On behalf of all of us here at Tomcat, we thank you for watching this video. We're Tomcat, putting the power of the cat to work for you.